Have you ever wished you could make yourself invisible? Well, now you can. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. Follow me at cyberguy.com where you can get my newsletter for free. A British startup company created a 6-foot mega shield that it says can make people invisible. No, it's not magic. It's actually pure science. The company claims that these shields use ultra-large, precision-engineered lens arrays which form the face of each shield and redirect light away from the person viewing it. It is wild to see this in the video. How it works is pretty amazing. The shape and placement of the lenses can cause background light from either side of the shields to spread over the person holding it and be directed toward the person viewing the shield. These shields are fully waterproof, made of 100% recyclable materials, and cost around $828. A less expensive, smaller version that's 8 inches tall goes for $54. More crazy cool tech like this at cyberguy.com. Are you getting my newsletter? Get it for free by opening a web browser. Go to cyberguy.com and click the little red button.